Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about color contrast. If you would like to follow along or play our mini application, go to all.rit.edu. So what is color contrast? Color contrast is the ratio of how much one color differs from another. It is used to determine if text placed on top of one color to another color is visible. The range of color contrast starts from 1 to 1, where the same color is both the background and foreground element. From there, the max ratio is 21 to 1. This ratio is only found in black text on a white background, or vice versa. The Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG, specify that proper color contrast must be above a ratio of 7 to 1. This ensures all colors used in a system are accessible and seen by users with a color vision deficiency. So here's an example of color contrast. You and your friends want to go play laser tag. You check the website for availability and see they're open. You go to the place and they tell you that they're actually not open. What happened? So if you highlight the text below, you'll see a disclaimer right here showing that they're actually not open. How can they expect someone to see that at a quick glance? The text for the disclaimer is in contrast with the background. Specifically, the ratio of the text to the background is 1.06 to 1. They're almost exactly the same color. So how do you calculate the ratio above? You use the color contrast calculator. You compare colors in it using this tool to figure out what the ratios are. Now let's find a color in a better color contrast. The text now shows up on the background. With the new color contrast, it's clear that they're close. So how can we fix color contrast? We compare the colors in a color contrast calculator. We keep going until we found the proper colors that actually meet the ratio 7 to 1 or higher. Who does this help? Anyone, but specifically individuals with a color vision deficiency. Color vision deficiency is a reduced ability to see certain colors, also known as color blindness. There are three kinds: protanopia, deuteranopia, and tritanopia. Here we have two circles. Can you figure out what the numbers are in those circles? If you were not able to figure it out, it was 5 and 3. So to summarize it all, color contrast is a vitally important topic. Any individual with a color vision deficiency will be unable to see your work if you don't use proper color contrast. There are 10% of the world has a color vision deficiency. 1 in 12 of males has color vision deficiency, as well as 1 in 200 females. The most important thing is don't lose all that money. 19% of the world has some sort of disability. If you don't help fix one, how can you fix any of them? Thank you.